So hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can mine free Dogecoins direct to your PC. The method is very simple. The method consists of cloud mining. As you are already familiar with cloud mining, in cloud mining we don't have to give our PC resources to the mining. The whole mining process occurs in the cloud mining process on this website servers. Okay, the website link will be given in the description. What you have to do to start mining, just go up to here, and here you can see enter your Dogecoin address. Okay, I already have a Dogecoin address which I used from my Binance account, or you can simply go to Cash Mall and go up to your Dogecoin address, and you can simply download the Dogecoin app and Dogecoin wallet app, and you can copy the Dogecoin wallet address from there and paste it here. After that, simply click on start mining. Okay, now here you can see it is the basic dashboard of this website. Now you can see the balance which this website is going to be mined is here, and my power for the free plan is 40 DHS, and my plan is free, and the yearly profit of this website which they gave me is 75 Dogecoins, which is very less. And here you can see the duration of my free package. After 362 days or in a year, after a year, this free plan will expire, and then I have to buy a paid plan from here. Here you can see the Dogecoin actual price which is going up, and here you can see send funds. The best part of this website is here you can see the fees. Even if you withdraw 500 Dogecoin, 200 Dogecoin, 100 Dogecoin, 5 Dogecoin or 10 Dogecoin, it will only deduct 1 Dogecoin fees from your transactions. There is no minimum withdrawal limit on this website, which is a very good part of this website which I like the most. And now here you can see the basic paid plans, like for example, if you invest 40 Dogecoins, you can get 100 DHS power, and the duration is 365 days, always a 1 year, and the total profit you will get from this package is $299. And the next package which consists of 250 Dogecoin deposited, and the total profit you can get per year is 2023 Dogecoins. So you can choose whatever packages you want based on your need. Let's go up to the referral page. From here you can see the referral page. Okay, now in referral section you can see I already have 3 referrals, and here you can see the referral commission and its rules. You can simply increase your income and give your friend opportunity to earn money. Your friends don't lose 10%, only you get 10%. Okay, the best part of this website is that your friend don't lose 10%, only you can get the 10%. Okay, here is a bonus pack which says get a 3,50,000 Dogecoin for 100 referral users active. Okay, if you have 100 active users or your 100 active referrals, you can get 3,50,000 Dogecoins for free. So this is the best part. This is the best part of this website. These kind of websites only work on referral. If you make a good referral network, then you can earn much more money without referrals. So this is the basic video in which I have showed you that how you can earn free money through your PC. So guys, this is a video, hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the subscribe button.